What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm taking some chasing sunset photography. I'll be posting later on in the video. It's gonna be a really short one. So behind me is the setting sun. I hope you enjoy the photos that I'll be posting up on the video. So I used automatic settings on the Canon. So I got all the pictures from EOS Keys X10 using a Tamron 70 to 300mm f4 zoom lens. It's a really nice one. Yeah, so hope you enjoy. So that's the setting sun and the view. I got some pictures which I'll be posting on later on. So please, if you like the video, subscribe. Like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.